To make a barrel knot with one strand, put one of your strands aside. Bend up, creating the loop right here. Bring your rope around the front and start wrapping around both strands right here. Just keep going until you have the length of the knot that you want. You can make it longer or shorter depending what your project is. When you got to the point where you are satisfied with the length, pull the string through the loop. You see, it kind of looks like a noose. And pull tight. And there you have it. Now, if you're not satisfied and you need to undo, it's really easy. Just pull that string through, and there you go. Now, this knot is actually very pretty with two strands as well. The same principle, bend one of your ropes up and start wrapping around all the strands. Again, until you have the desired length of the knot. You can make it long or short. Again, pull through and then just tighten up. Now you have your knot over two strands. Very pretty. The same principle. If you don't like it, untie it. And it's really, really easy.